Why Agile is crucial in the modern tech industry. In order to answer this question, we are diving headfirst into the fascinating world of Agile methodology and why it is an absolute game changer in the modern tech industry. I will be your guide on this journey, breaking down the reasons why Agile has become a must-have tool in the tech sector. So, grab your virtual seat and let's get started. In the fast-paced realm of tech, innovation and change are the name of the game. With technology constantly evolving and consumer demands shifting like the wind, flexibility and adaptability are non-negotiable. Enter Agile methodology, the hero of our story. It is here to save the day by revolutionizing the way tech companies operate. How, you ask? Well, stick around because we are going to explore its superpowers such as handling rapid technological advancements, fostering collaboration, staying customer-centric, managing risk, and creating a culture of continuous improvement. Yes, Agile is our tech industry superhero. Now, let us set the stage by understanding Agile methodology's role in the modern tech industry. This industry is a wild ride, filled with ever-changing tech and demanding customers. To survive and thrive, tech companies have turned to Agile as their trusty sidekick. Agile brings a unique set of principles and practices, perfectly suited to the challenges of this sector. Hence, we are embarking on a quest to uncover the reasons why Agile is a must-have, covering flexibility, collaboration, customer centricity, risk management, and continuous improvement. Now that we have got the basics down, let's zoom in on one of Agile's standout features, its adaptability to rapid technological advancements. In the tech world, change is the only constant, and Agile embraces the change like an old friend. It is all about being flexible and agile, pun intended. The iterative and incremental nature of Agile allows tech teams to pivot swiftly when faced with new requirements, emerging technologies, or market shifts. This adaptability keeps tech companies ahead of the curve, serving their customers better and faster. But wait, there is more. Agile is not just about adapting. It is also about building bridges, fostering collaboration, and creating cross-functional dream teams. As tech projects grow more complex, Agile is all about bringing diverse skill sets together. It breaks standards sideways and encourages everyone to solve problems together. This collaboration not only makes development more efficient, but also unleashes creativity and innovation, ensuring tech companies can tackle complex challenges head-on. Now, let's talk about something that's music to every customer's ears. Customer-centric approaches. Big corporations, small startups, and even individual experts are jumping on this bandwagon. Agile's iterative development, user stories, and continuous feedback loops keep tech teams laser-focused on customer needs and preferences. This means tech products and services are not just innovative. They are tailor-made for the end users, boosting customer satisfaction and market success. Your customers will love you for it. In a tech industry filled with complexities and ever-evolving end-user requirements, risk management is a critical piece of the puzzle. Agile's incremental approach helps teams identify and tackle potential risks early in the game. By keeping a watchful eye on project progress, they can adapt and respond to emerging issues quickly. This risk management capability is like a safety net, especially in an industry where finances and competition are sky-high. But that's not all. Agile goes a step further by cultivating a culture of continuous improvement. This is not just good for organizations, it is also great for individuals. Learning from both successes and failures is the key to success. Agile methodologies encourage teams to reflect on their performance and find opportunities for growth. This culture of continuous improvement ensures that our tech work evolves and remains at the forefront of innovation. It's the secret sauce to staying ahead in the ever-changing tech landscape. In summary, Agile methodology is the cornerstone of the modern tech industry, and it is not going anywhere. Its adaptability, emphasis on collaboration, customer-centric approach, risk management capabilities, and continuous improvement focus make it a true tech industry superhero. Agile has redefined how tech companies operate, allowing them to deliver customer-centric solutions and adapt to a constantly evolving landscape. As the tech industry continues its exciting evolution, you can bet Agile will be right there. leading the way. In the upcoming presentation, we will start with Agile and the Agile Manifesto.